Nellie Little House, circa 1880, built in the Second Empire style. This circa 1880 Second Empire mansard roof style home was built for German native Christian Nellie and his wife Caroline Heel Nellie and their children. Mr. Nellie began his Parkersburg career as co-owner of the United States Hotel. He then was a successful wholesale merchant and eventually became the president of Parkersburg National Bank. The home stayed in the Nellie family for decades as it passed through several generations. In 1956, it was purchased by Juliana Street's First United Methodist Church and used as a Sunday school and church offices. The home underwent major renovations in the 1980s. The three-floor house has a formal entry, large living room, parlor, formal dining room, kitchen, 6 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, 2 staircases, and a 5-room cellar. Both the first and second floors have over 11-foot high ceilings, ornamented with original plaster cornices and medallions. There are pocket doors with etched glass panels and 6 faux painted slate fireplaces. The porches feature original cast iron posts and railings.